This video describes the 3-axis turning improvement now available in Esprit EDGE. The lathe contouring cycle has a new option to continuously change the orientation of a turning tool while cutting. This capability enables better surface finish with uninterrupted cuts and shorter cycle time by doing more with the same tool. Esprit EDGE supports regular turning tools rotating with the B-axis, but also Y-axis turning tools such as Ceratizit free turn tools and Sandvik Coraplex YT tools that change orientation using the tool spindle axis. We will present this functionality with 3 different examples. In the first one, we will program a contouring operation on a DMG Mori NTX 2000 machine. Select the turning feature and apply a contouring operation from the turning ribbon. In the Strategy tab, set the tool axis variation parameter to Yes. By doing so, an additional Orientation tab is available where you can choose a strategy to control the orientation of the tool axis. In the Orientation tab, choose between orientation vectors or lead angle for the tool axis control. For this first scenario, we use the lead angle option. This option keeps a constant angle between the tool and the workpiece surface being cut. When necessary, the system intelligently and automatically tilts the tool to prevent collision and to reach further into the part. In addition, it is possible to specify hard angle limits for the orientation of the tool. We use a Ceratizit free turn insert mounted perpendicular at the end of the tool holder. Based on the tool and the machine kinematics, Esprit EDGE automatically determines the turning plane and what rotary axis to use. Here, turning happens in the YZ plane, and we use the tool spindle axis to vary the tool orientation. The tool machines the part by maintaining a constant engagement, resulting in a high-quality surface finish. In the second example, we machine a turning part with a complex shape on a DMG Mori CTX Beta. This time, we use the Orientation Vectors tool axis control, which allows you to specify intermediate tool positions and graphically check the tool assembly clearance on the part. Click on the plus sign to add a new point along the feature, then graphically select a point of the feature. Here we select a point in the middle of the feature. Note that the system automatically reorganizes the list of points and puts the point in the right place. To change the orientation angle of an added point, select the point and you can either enter a value or use the scroll wheel on your mouse to adjust the orientation value. You can do the same for the distance along the feature. Once all the points are specified, Esprit EDGE automatically interpolates orientation between user set positions. This new toolpath is collision-free between the entire tool assembly and the workpiece and processes complex contours in a single operation. Through an interactive control of the tool orientations, Esprit EDGE can cut a complex contour with a single operation and eliminates the need for multiple cutting tools. For our last example, note that the tool axis variation function of the contouring operation is also available for milling machines with a rotary table. We applied the same contouring operation using the tool axis variation function with orientation vectors as tool axis control. This tool axis variation option enables you to fine-tune your machining by getting into every nook and cranny of the part in a single pass, minimizing tool changes and reducing cycle times. This cycle also allows you to achieve uniform surface finishes on curved or differently sloped surfaces using shorter tools, minimizing tool deflection while increasing tool life and your productivity. Thank you for watching this Esprit EDGE product video. For more information on this and other Esprit EDGE features, refer to the release bulletin and product help.